Hello everyone, it's me Jenny, and today I'm going to be doing some more Blades of Exile, which is an old school turn-based RPG. I was going to do pretty much any other sort of game because you guys didn't enjoy this game very much last time, but what I've decided is the thing you enjoyed least about this game was the fact that I had the sound effects on, which I personally really enjoy, but I realise that's not for everyone. Yeah, I decided to carry on playing it, but as you can tell, what I've done with my OBS settings is you can hear my voice, but you can't hear the sound effects, but I can. Isn't that great? And yeah, we are in the town of Sweet Grove right now, I believe, and we are doing some exploration, some looking at things. So basically I am exploring this town. As I said, it's been a while since I played this game. I know that I've got to find a wizard who will request me to go into his house and I'll get blown up by lots of traps. There's also a lady in this town that can train me. There's also some scary ghouls in the bottom left hand corner, which if you find your way into their grove, they will munch your face. So that's something to look forward to. I'm going to steal anything if I can avoid it, because guards are badasses. I can pick up some pants. I have to say it in an American accent because of course pants in English is obviously knickers, which you know, I'm sure they're useful, but they're not a tool which is generally used. There is a cat right behind my laptop right now, so if there's any webcam shake, it's because my cat is trying to attack the door. So what I'm doing right now is that you click on certain keywords and that can lead you through to other things. I'm trying to cure the curse. Cure, haha. Okay, so basically what's happened is in this vale there is a curse of some kind, and our mission is to go in to this region and try and work out what the curse is. Quite a fun game. In my experience, it's not for everyone, but you guys don't have to play, all you have to do is watch. Now I'm pretty sure this is the shop which is full of, yeah, so those runes up here, they're bad news. All my characters are on full health, so why not? No. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to step back off the rune. Okay, so I can make it across this floor. Now I know that whatever I'm looking for is in the flower pot. I've played this game before. But ID. Sorry, that's one of those songs that I just get in my head randomly. I apologise. And right now there is a cat snuggled between my toes. And she's very cute. And yeah, she's made herself she's snuggled inside the desk drawer. It's adorable. I wish I could show you guys. Oops. I forgot that this is click only or arrow key only, and press W to move upwards, which of course in this game W means weights, so I just took several weights in a row. I'm a numpty. Anyway, oh, like, I've got to give points. Like, this is a well-written game. Like, if you actually read all of the stuff, like, these characters are really suffering. That'll do, pig. That'll do. Okay, done. Okay. Sorry, guys. That was dull. That was really, really dull. Let's go kill something for your entertainment. Let's do that then. Game of Thrones style. Let's take on some. Okay, equivalent to White Walkers. Let's do that. Hey guys, they're really, really scary. Ooh, one sec. Oh, I'm still webbed and conbundled. Okay, let's end combat. Take on a wolf. There we go. Let's take on a band of roaming wolves. There we go. Kill, 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 says KSJ. Let's do that, Shaz. Let's rip her cause she's dumb. And bless Kyra cause she's stupid. Let's flame. See, my sound effects are better than the game sound effects. Whether or not that's a sign as the game is great or that I'm great, who knows? And the cleric's equivalent. See, it's better sound effects when I do an impression of them. She just leveled up. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Do bandits, okay. Bandits it is. Hello, Mr. Bandits. So I'm gonna go full combat mode, guys. Full combat mode. Oh, the concentration, you guys, you have no idea. I'm so focused. So very, very focused right now. Oh, that was quick and easy. I remember that whole level being terrifying before. So clearly I either misremembered or, ooh, darts, nice. Either misremembered or, I'm better at playing than I was when I last played this game. But there we go. Now, if we have a quick look at the map, there we go, all cleared out. We've cleared all the spaces on the map, so Sweet Grove is done. We've also found the magic gem, which means that theoretically we could carry on straight away to the wizard school. But my god, the sound effects dire. It's literally vroom, vroom, failure, It's delightful. You guys don't know the joy / appreciate the joy. Okay, there's a place that if you go too far north, you'll just die. I am way too low a level to take on. Like up here, where the river goes off screen, there's a kind of little dark brown area. That area is full of very high level, a lot of undead. And this whole area is Lizard Town area. There's some lava up here as well, so yeah. It's a scary, scary area, this north. It does, once you get high enough level, yeah, this area, if I follow this path, see that little white dot, just north of here, if I go there, I will be attacked by about 1,000 fire lizards. Yeah, it's not good. And then I'm gonna do some big old destruction magic, because destruction magic is awesome. Conflagration, where are you? Conflagration is awesome. Just look at this field. It's so cool. And in the meantime, thank you for watching. I hope you will enjoy the stream. I know it's not for everyone. But I really, really enjoy this game. It might be the last time I play this game, it might not. We shall see. But there we go. Game. Thank you all for watching, thank you all for hanging out, and obviously to people watching on Monday, hello! Hopefully I've caught up with my schedule by now, but who knows. Feel free to comment, and I will see you guys all next week. I stream on Sundays on my Twitch channel, which is Class Librarian. 11 till 12 GMT, often and more often than not later. And if there are any updates, you should check my Twitter, which is @GameGen. And obviously an edit of this, which is what you just watched, if you've watched it, will be up on Monday, unless I'm behind my schedule. But that is my aim, and so there we go. Thank you for watching, thank you to my mod, Baxorn, who's been in the chat this whole time, and thank you to all of my wonderful viewers. Those of you who lurked and those of you who commented, you guys are the best. Lots of videos coming out soon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys all once I've saved and exited DOS, which always takes a little bit longer than you think it does.